Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deepam Shah, founder medical director of Viva Aesthetic Clinic. So today, let us decode the biggest buzzword right now going on, exosomes. Nowadays, we get a lot of inquiries, a lot of people keep on asking me, what is exosomes? So today, I'm going to break it down into small bits and pieces for you to understand about exosomes. So let us start with what is exosomes and how do we get it? So exosomes are basically derived from two sources. One is plant, most common is rose DNA. The second one is from human DNA, you get this exosomes. Exosomes are these tiny vesicles which, when given in your skin, it goes into the cell. It modifies your DNA and tells them to repair your cell faster. It increases the cellular regeneration and tissue repair, because of which you get good cells, you get stronger cells, and you get newer cells which stimulate more collagen, more elastin, and more blood vessels. What are the indications in which I use in my patients? So I divide the indication into skin and hair. For skin, I use it for anti-aging. We use for fine lines and wrinkles. We use for patients who have pigmentation on the face. We use this for people who require hydration on the face, who have a dull and dehydrated skin. Also, it works well in people who have open pores. For hair, what are the major indications is androgenetic alopecia, people who are suffering from thinning of hair, and also hair fall. Plant-based, which are derived from rose DNA, are quite safe to use and they have no issues as such. But when you go for human DNA, the results are much better. But when you are doing this, do check for the certifications which are available for this exosomes, and also cross-check with your doctor that is it safe to inject in my skin, because the exosomes which I use, I have personally seen the certificates and it undergoes a rigorous testing to be fit to use in your skin. In the quest to give you the best results and the best technology from all over the world, I have sourced the exosomes from different countries. For example, this is the plant-based exosomes which is derived from Italy. This is human exosomes which are derived from Korea. Now let us come to the side effects part. As we said that this is injected and microneedled in your skin, so most likely it does not have any side effects. What are the basic ones which I have encountered is normal with any injection on microneedling, is like a redness, swelling which can last up to max 1 day. Apart from that, I have never encountered any side effects pertaining to exosomes. So they are very safe to use, and do try them next time to get that amazing glow, amazing anti-aging effect on your skin.